Hi, Attorney Steve Vondrant. We're back again. We're talking about BSA and software licensing audits. Another common question that we get in these types of cases is, how on earth did they find out that I have unlicensed copies? What's going on? Is somebody spying on me? Is somebody violating the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act? Is somebody eavesdropping on my network? Is somebody illegally hacking my network? These are very important questions that can arise in a case. But I'm going to give you some of the common reasons, probably the top 3 reasons why you may have got what we call the love letter from the lawyers or the software company directly demanding that you engage in a voluntary audit under the terms of the software licensing agreements. So one common way is the informant. So the informant is someone who may work for you now, have worked in the past, may have been someone that you terminated, and sometimes these informants are looking for awards and rewards for reporting you. And there are, you can search online, there are report software infringement. You can find websites that will invite people to come on board and give up the information and, basically narc on their employer, so to speak. So that is a very common ground, is the insider, the informant, the disgruntled employee, the terminated employee, and their conduct and activities has to be looked at closely in every BSA case. Another way that you might hear is what we call these crash reports. So if you're ever fooling with a piece of software, for me, it happens with Microsoft Outlook quite a bit, where the software will just break down and it'll say, do you want to send this report? It's like a crash report. Do you want to send this report? Yes. And now you're basically voluntarily transmitting data to these software companies that may then compare you with the licensing databases and see if you're using authorized software. The third big way that we've heard of and seen of is downloading software illegally from sites like Bittorrent. I don't know what the arrangement is, but it appears that there is ways that the software companies are able to monitor the traffic or get information from BitTorrent or through BitTorrent users, or possibly by setting up dummy accounts where they're offering free software to everyone, and it's actually the software companies that are offering the software, almost like an entrapment type of issue. So that's another way that we have found, and sometimes you have employees that are downloading software on their lunch breaks, sometimes they're downloading demos just to see what something looks like. Sometimes the employees aren't properly trained, sometimes it's against policies and procedures of the company. So there's all sorts of different situations where these software audits can arise. So if you're facing a software audit, you have questions, concerns, you want to try to avoid a federal copyright lawsuit, you want to try to avoid allegations of willful infringement, you want to avoid filing bankruptcy, these kinds of things, give us a call. We're happy to talk to you about your case. You can find out more information at softwareauditlawyers.com, and we look forward to working with you. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you.